Well, the Delhi police have now recovered the smartphone used by the driver in the Delhi rape case. The phone that was recovered from Mathura is expected to play an important role in the investigations since it was used as a GPS locator by Uber. Well, not only that, the cab company itself has come under the scanner. The top management of the company has been called for interrogation. In fact, the Asia Pacific head of Uber will be grilled by the Delhi police for a second time.
हमने जो है इस चीज़ का संज्ञान लिया है और ये जो एस्पेक्ट है जब हम चार्जशीट फाइल करेंगे और कोर्ट में जब इसको पेश किया जाएगा ट्रायल के लिए तो उस समय में इस बात का कोर्ट के सामने इन सब फैक्ट्स को रखा जाएगा ताकि जो है जो इसकी प्रीवियस जो है कंडक्ट को भी कोर्ट के सामने रहे। देखिए वो खबर जो है मैंने भी देखी है, वो उबर कंपनी को उन्होंने लिख के भेजा था और उसकी जानकारी अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमको नहीं दी गई थी, तो उस पर भी जो अब लीगली हम मुनासिब कार्रवाई कर सकते हैं वो हम करेंगे। देखिए ऐसा है कि दिल्ली पुलिस महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को बढ़ाने के लिए हमने कई कदम उठाए हैं। सबसे पहले तो मैं इस बात का जिक्र करना चाहूँगा कि पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम के अंदर में पहले हमारी 60 टेलीफोन लाइंस हुआ करती थी, उसको बढ़ा के हमने 100 किया है 100 की, ताकि कोई व्यक्ति अगर डिस्ट्रेस में पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम को कॉल करता है तो उसको दिक्कत का सामना ना करना पड़े।
An FIR against Uber cabs has now been filed. Remember, the go-ahead for this FIR had come yesterday itself from the Delhi police headquarters. We hear now that the cab company has been charged and an FIR against it has officially been filed. There have been glaring loopholes that have come to the fore as this case is being investigated. Why was a basic background check not done by the cab company? Bhavtosh Singh is breaking this information to us. Bhavtosh, the go-ahead had come yesterday, but the FIR now officially filed against Uber.
Yes, in fact, the FIR was filed, Radhika, yesterday itself. This is the copy. This is a Xerox copy of that FIR. The FIR now states the reason why Uber is in the dock. In fact, the police have said that the Delhi police have booked Uber on charges of violating the government order, that is Section 188 of IPC and Section 420 cheating. Now, it has given several reasons why they believe that Uber has violated the law. The FIR goes into details of that, is that there was no photograph of the driver which was affixed on the back seat of the car. It also mentioned that on the website they claimed that they had done the background check of all the drivers, which was not in this case. And